Reliable transportation protects cocoa quality from farm to factory.
The industrial network connects harvest with precision manufacturing.
Every kilometer brings the cocoa closer to transformation. The destination now stands ready to receive its valuable cocoa harvest. Every delivery is verified before entering the chocolate factory. Efficient logistics keep the chocolate factory operating without interruption. Traceability ensures every cocoa bean can be tracked. The cocoa reaches the heart of modern chocolate production. Every machine performs a specialized role within the chocolate factory. Nature performs the first transformation inside every cocoa bean. Experienced inspectors monitor every fermentation batch. Turning the beans ensures uniform flavor development. Drying prepares cocoa beans for safe transport. Careful drying locks in quality for every batch. Precise moisture levels protect the beans during transport.
Precise moisture levels protect the beans during transport.
From the plantation, the cocoa begins its journey toward modern chocolate production. The harvested cocoa is now ready for its factory journey.
That's the last pallet loaded up. Great work. See you later.
Freshly prepared cocoa beans now begin their journey to the chocolate factory.